Welcome to the 3D printed wall art mini-series. In this final video, we will go through some of the places where you can share and find 3D printed art. Some of the platforms that I know and use are Makerworld, Printables, CG Trader, My Mini Factory, Thingiverse, Cults 3D, and I used a few others on a single occasion as well. And there probably are many more out there. Every platform has its own pros and cons and sort of own audience and community. I prefer the Makerworld and Printable platforms. Bamboo Lab is behind Makerworld, so it seamlessly integrates with the Bamboo Lab printer ecosystem. Prusa is behind Printables and sort of has the same thing going on. My preference goes to these two websites for finding my models. They have great community response and interaction. Search functions work properly and I try to find what I'm looking for. That's not always the case. And the most important thing is that you can find high quality models. These models are easy to find, and as a creator you are rewarded because of their quality as well. They also host contests with rewards to stimulate new ideas and models all the time. Not every site or other platform has this as well. Now, I do urge you to check out other sites as well. If you are searching for something, you might not find it on a single platform, but maybe on another one. I'll add all the links in the description below for you to check out as well. On each site, you can create a profile or an account and upload your files. Depending on your goal, you can then make them available for free, behind a fee, or with some license attached to it. Keep in mind that with sharing your work, you make it available to the rest of the world. Although each site has disclaimers and guidelines, not everyone adheres to those. So you can have your models stolen or see them being sold without your permission or consent. And most of the times you also give them access to promote and use your models as well. You should always be able to find the account and upload terms on their site. Most of the time they also let you agree to them during the upload process and let you select some license form in which you want to share your models. Your models probably also need to meet certain requirements. So make sure you know about those as well before you upload and agree. There can be consequences if your models do not comply. Here is a quick example of Bamboo Labs terms, and here are some of Prusa's terms. One of the other reasons for me to mainly use these platforms is security as well. It's just knowing that there's an active community behind it that signals issues as well. And there are teams actively making sure policies are applied. I hope they do checks in the background for files being uploaded, but I don't know that for sure. Although the chance is small, I can't really think of a reason to put a payload in a 3D printed file. But downloading files from the internet, from sources you don't know or trust, always has a risk. Files of any shape and form can contain viruses or other malicious software. You only have to try to open it after downloading to make it do its thing. That's also the network engineer in me thinking, but yeah. You download what you want or just trust your own process. Now, to upload files to Bamboo Labs Makerworld, have a nice print ready and make sure to take some high quality and interesting pictures. You log into your account, you click upload in the right top corner, and from there you can follow the steps to upload your files. Add pictures, description, and upload your new wall art project. This process is similar on all the other platforms as well, so feel free to share it wherever you want. And of course, congratulations, we're done with the series. You've created and uploaded your first 3D printed wall art now. Let me know how it was, how it went, and what you thought about the series. I'm always looking for feedback, possible things that I do well, things that I can improve, or maybe shouldn't do at all next time. It's always hard to guess or find out what works for other people as well. I just want to provide as much value as possible in the most efficient way. But I don't want to skip the details either, so I'm always trying to find the right balance, so to say. Especially writing and passing out all these videos was a challenge, so I hope it flows well. But yeah, there might be bonus parts added later to this series if I find something, or something I think I need to add to the series as well. And I might also make just one long video with everything in it, if my PC would allow that. So you can just binge the whole series at once without going through a playlist. So that was it for the 3D printed wall art mini-series. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe for more future content, of course. And I hope to see you in the next one.